Engineering has always been about solving problems, pushing boundaries, and shaping the world around us. But now, with the rise of artificial intelligence, the future of engineering is being redefined in ways we could have only imagined. AI is transforming how we approach design. With generative design tools, engineers can input simple parameters like size, weight, or material properties, and let AI generate thousands of optimized solutions in seconds. Imagine a skyscraper designed by algorithms or a car built for perfect aerodynamics, all thanks to AI-driven innovation. And this isn't just about efficiency, it's about unlocking creativity on an unprecedented scale. Repetitive and time-consuming tasks are becoming a thing of the past. With AI, engineers can automate tasks like CAD modeling, running simulations, and even debugging code. This means less time spent on tedious processes and more time solving the big challenges. AI is not replacing engineers, it's empowering them. AI isn't just about design, it's about smarter decision-making. Predictive analytics powered by AI can foresee equipment failures before they happen, or optimize entire systems for maximum efficiency. From managing smart cities to designing sustainable buildings, AI is becoming an indispensable partner in engineering. In the manufacturing world, AI and robotics are rewriting the rules. Intelligent machines are building faster, reducing waste, and maintaining precision. These aren't just factories, they're AI-powered ecosystems, paving the way for Industry 4.0 and beyond. And with collaborative robots or cobots, engineers and machines are working together like never before. As AI reshapes engineering, education must evolve too. AI-powered platforms are personalizing learning, helping future engineers master complex concepts faster. And for today's engineers, continuous upskilling in AI, machine learning, and data science will be essential to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving field. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI systems take on more roles in engineering, we must address critical questions. How do we ensure safety, transparency, and fairness? Who governs AI-driven technologies, and how do we protect privacy and security in an interconnected world? Engineers won't just build the future, they'll help shape its rules. AI is also taking us beyond our planet. From designing spacecraft to exploring distant moons, AI is enabling humanity to reach the stars. And here on Earth, it's unlocking new possibilities in renewable energy, biomedical devices, and even climate change solutions. The future of engineering isn't just about what we build, it's about how we build it, and who we become along the way. AI is not just a tool, it's a partner, pushing us to dream bigger and achieve more. So what excites you most about this AI-powered revolution? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of engineering and technology. Together, let's shape the future.